is back again.
Well, lads,
we're yeah. How are you? Talking to the internet.
Hell yeah. We're doing a bit of bait.
I'm doing a bit of video.
So yeah, we're raising the last few like remnants of fuckery.
Yeah.
Faggotry that was committed by, you know, previous owners.
Yeah, and we keep saying it, the famous thing, but this is probably the last time for a while until we...
We're pretty sure this is the last time.
Yeah, it's never the last time though.
No, well, this is the last time, and then it gets painted.
Yeah.
And then we come back
and then tackle
this fuckery.
All this shit.
Yeah, grand. Lovely.
A year and 5 months?
I'm not even that stoned yet.
No, not yet.
No.
So you'll talk less and less as the day progresses.
As the day progresses, my eyes will close more, and I will
get stuck in. You're one of the only people I know that actually works stoned.
Yeah?
I don't know. Most people just want to sit around.
I can't concentrate otherwise.
Really?
It's crazy, yeah.
All right. You work the opposite to me. I just want to sit around and talk shit when I'm stoned. And you want to sit around and talk shit when you're sober.
Yeah.
And then work when you're stoned.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh well.
It's like, it's a pretty toxic coping mechanism.
Yeah. It works though.
Whatever. It's a shame because of all the bullshit on the internet. You can't play songs like The Rule, Sandstorm.
I know, yeah.
On, like,
copyright strikes everywhere.
Sand falls out of your mouth.
Yeah. Probably get an 8-bit version of it or slow it down or something, but yeah. Why can't we just use whatever we want? We had a bit of fun before the internet got lame.
It's funny because in England they missed it. But they were going to bring in this kind of thing where it's basically a wank license.
Oh yeah.
Where you'd have had to like pay in to use porn sites. So there's this like whole thing now on the internet. It's like, need a license for that wank, mate. It's fucked. But no, they I think they realized between like whatever's going on with Brexit and then having to get a license to have a wank, they knew there'd be civil war, so they pushed back the wank license.
Yeah, for another while.
For another while.
But in a few years, there will be wank licenses, and the internet will be so badly policed that we'll just all be on the dark web.
I'll have to get a special one, like James Bond, like license to wank. Like fucking, not just like a basic pass, I'll need like full access.
Yeah.
You know?
Are you a frequent wanker? Have you topped up your frequent wanking miles?
Yeah, palm
miles.
you
get the wiles then, yeah, palm miles. Congratulations, you're a platinum wanker.
Yeah, they give you get a stranger or a Dutch rudder when you get like 100 palm miles.
I promise to never use the sill as a jacking point ever again.
On pain of death.
Yes.
Seriously, because they're
not
straight now. Show them the crack.
Oh yeah.
Then.
The rip thing.
Yeah, that bit here. See where it's fatigued.
From drifting, lad. Yeah, oh shit. And then the same thing happens there. So the 86 rips in a couple of places on either side, and the chassis leg actually tears on them. So they tear here, and they actually tear there that you fixed on both sides. All of them. They rip from, I guess most of them had a...
Look at it now with the doors off. Look at all that nothing. Diff comes from here and the diff power comes from
Yeah.
It's got nothing.
And there's nothing in between. It's a fairly empty car with like one rib here which is bolted on, and then that, and then there's just two little ribs there. So yeah, it's insane, man. They're not really the strongest car. I have crashed in one and it turned into a Coke can, so
yeah, I bet.
And this, oh yeah, so the one I crashed in is actually now part of my car, which is one of the weirdest things ever if you think about it. There it is up there. We've talked about it before, but it is really weird that we crashed in an 86 and now it's part of my car.
And you get to not crash it again.
I really hope so. Yeah, but it's mad that they do rip, because like there isn't a whole lot of structural...
I say it's a good indicator of how many humpback bridges there are near your house.
Yeah, I'd say this thing. You have at least 3 or 4 humpback bridges. You're just gonna weld them, yeah? Or
I'm just gonna leave that there.
just leave it the way, just leave that exactly where it is. Yeah, perfect.
Oh yeah, you'll need fisheye lens.
Yeah. I had to buy a new lens because the other lens was full of rust metal splatters from welding. So I forgot to bring that lens because I could have actually used it, but I'm gonna stay away from Barry with this lens. So, if you haven't known by now, we enjoy making shitty burgers. It's like the 10th of April. Tesco has started stocking charcoal again, so we haven't used the barbecue in a while. So I'm gonna wash the barbecue. Check this great basket that's underneath. Got the Dre 2005 album, not as good as 2001, and a bottle of El Campino Sauvignon Blanc 2015. What? Right. This barbecue has the most random shit ever underneath it. This nice Seiko watch, I have no idea who owns that. No, not yet.
Fuck off.
Tried to buy charcoal. They don't have charcoal, so they just have crappy little disposable barbecues. But there's just blue mold on the utensils there. Look at the just fur. So Barry's gonna straight out and into a burger.
Lovely.
Blue Tesco Blue Spark, sugar-free. Sugar-free energy drink. Yeah. Just get those notes. Barry absolutely loves crap energy drinks.
Oh, it's fucking lovely.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Down, we can place her back on. Like. I'll put a few tacks on that. You ready?
Yeah.
Bit of cheese, hey. The other dog was. Wow. That's great. Wait.
Jesus Christ.
Bit of gimbal action.
Yeah. We're getting fancy here.
Gimbal.
Stepping up the quality, which people will probably hate because they'd rather it just look kind of shitty. Edgy, shitty.
Yeah. Raw. Like those burgers we just ate.
Yeah. We're gonna get diarrhea.
I'll do me later when I'm on Pornhub.
Oh.
And that's a lie, ex-hamster. Better enjoy your fap while it lasts, because you'll have to have a license for a wank soon. Remember that. Masturbation is like the last bastion of male freedom, so, you know, you need to like rise up. Well, not, you know, not that rise up, but, you know.
The straightest sill in all the land.
All signs of Sean have been erased. Gone. No Sean.
You happy with that, Barry?
I'm very happy.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm delighted.
I'm pretty sure I'm nursing a semi right now.
Yeah, nursing a little semi.
You know, you can have these cars that look lovely, and then when, like you said, you go and have a proper look.
Yeah, you start looking around it and...
Try and get down and take a picture, and then you've got like a really scabby, scaldy fucking...
We're gone this far now, so...
Yeah, exactly. There's no point having everything else looking lovely. And then, like, I know these are still...
Yeah, but they always... I don't know, whatever.
These are straight.
This is all people are going to see.
Yep.
And we're only about the looks.
Yeah.
We don't care. We're so shallow. Yeah, here's another rip on the L chassis here. So, I'm going to patch that up. So we were actually just getting the last little piece welded up. And then we ran out of gas, and this was supposed to be the last welding that we were doing for a while. So it's great.
2 joints in now, 2.5 joints in. So
quite stoned.
we're good.
Yeah.
We're good.
Damn you, car!
No one gets it.
And your gloves look kind of like.
That's we're trying to put them on or your arms are over.
This is just the whole shed experience in a nutshell there now. Yeah.
Good.
I like going between you. Probably die. Go again. Yeah.
Rings, lads!
Exceptional.
Could just cook the bars and like with a plate.
Because if you're ever back to the yeah, or you get taken off the bike, it'll just put the engine in. If that gets the speed that goes on the ground,
The sauce exploded.
what happened here?
There's blood everywhere. We're down, we're down. The relish is dead. Fucking boom.
Okay.
Jesus, getting fancy with the spinach.
Spinach
burgers. You like the spinach, huh?
Woo!
Right.
Now me and the mad scientist gotta rip apart the block and replace the piston rings that you fried.
I'm so sorry, Dom.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so scared right now. Flip him. What do you think? 40 weight? 50 weight?
40 weight sounds good.
40 weight sounds good.
That's good.
Yeah. This is where it gets.
Too much.
Oh.
Gotta replace the piston rings.
And cook a burger.
Oh, coyotes are us.
I gotta eat too.
Oh, the smell of it. Like the combination of a fucked engine and beef.
Oh,
It's gonna be so tasty.
smells so good.
Rings, lad. It actually kind of smells nice. In a
Weird.
yeah.
Sauce.
I've never seen anyone cook a burger in engine oil.
Now.
Flip it.
No.
It looks like it's actually edible. Got some beef. Got some 4AGE rings, and we got some Tesco burger.
1040, man.
1040 special recipe.
Oh, I smell the beef now.
Waft that in.
So good.
1040 for all the pay over here.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
What do you call it?
The Dominic.
The Dominic. The T4 Dominic.
Dominic effect.
Look at that. Beautiful. Ready in minutes.
Hey, yo, Dominic. Why'd you bring the burger back here?
Because the burger kept me out of handcuffs.
Come on, Dale.
It looks good.
HR38.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like fucking a car that did like 300,000 miles.
Fuck off.
Jesus, just bow. Jesus, how you bow?
How you going? Are you doing a bit of Indian,
Oh
are you?
yeah, I am, yeah.
It's a lovely day for it in fairness.
Jez, you're on the bike anyway.
Hey,
yourself, yeah.
Pub now, sure, for a few scoops, sure, you know yourself.
Oh, fuck, well for you now, so it is.
I get a thirst for a few pints here.
I know the feeling there now, Bar.
The pub is packed.
Just-
The water is flowing.
I'll see you later, Bar.
I'll see you the next day.
Yeah, mind yourself, yeah. What a fucking mad bastard.